everybody and welcome back to the chateau. It is a stunning day, and because I need to go and get all of that tree cut up, cleared, wood chips, everything, all the stuff from the back garden to clear up and get ready, now I've got the steel, I need to go and get the floor sorted in that trailer, because that is literally the last domino. Once that falls, everything can start getting sorted out, cleared up, and it can all come together quickly. So let's get on with that. Trailer emptied. Well, you know, mostly. You can see there's not a floor, you can actually see all the way down to grass there. So it's obviously not usable like this. I'm going to go and drag this down to the workshop, pull that floor out, start measuring everything up, get this usable, because as soon as this is usable, everything else can start to get cleared. This is the final piece of the puzzle that comes together, and everything then can just knock it together. So let's get this down there. So my plans have had to change ever so slightly today. Wanted to get on with that trailer floor. However, got a phone call from my friends who said they can sort out this trunk today, and that's way more important because I've got to work around them. They actually, you know, run a digger company, so they go out and do groundworks, all the rest of it. So them being able to find a little bit of time to help me out, I've got to work around them. I'm looking forward to this being flat, if we can do it. Because I'm not going to lie, it looks big from this side. You start understanding the size. It's the other side. It really is. Really is stupid. Because you just get to see how big that root ball is, and just how much just how much of that bank has been taken away, because you can see the stones, you know, and all of that. You can actually see the stones. They're in the bottom of that root ball and bank. So that's should be interesting. So there's a digger here, but first off we're going to try with the winch off the front of their car, go straight across and try to pull from the top and see how much leverage, because it's got a bit of movement in it already. Really, you're just trying to break the root system that's carried on growing a little bit, which won't be that much by this point, along with just hit past the balance point. Hopefully it should just fall over, which is why it's got to come down before the party, because it could just fall over. All right, car's over there winching away. Let's see. Oh, it's going tight. Yeah. Digger time. It's never just one thing. Oh, what we got? It's going. It's going. So it's actually splashing down though, is it? And that was very gentle. That was extremely gentle. Well, that just shows that all of that root system, all of that is still quite happy in keeping that bank in one piece, because that's still not down on its own weight. Well, that was extremely slow motion, but the digger sorted it right out. not small. Superb. Yeah, that's perfect. I can just chop it up there then. Look! More trees! It's amazing how quickly stuff...
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the other side of that tree there.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the other side of that. It came straight across. I had to cut it down so I could come in, and then of course I never got a chance to finish, so this is all grown up around those logs. We're getting somewhere. Properly opening up the entrance to the camping, so now we're going to have a much straighter line straight down there, and then we'll sort this corner out, which means people can cut in, flatten it all out. Yes, all coming together. Well, they're offloading a digger. Look at this. Taking some stuff out of the bank. But we don't want to go too far back. There's some roots there, obviously. And we need to I need to be able to get into here to get those logs out. And I'll come and flatten this lot out, but just look at it. So they have loaded up, gone off. They gave me a couple of hours of their time, and it was so appreciated to get some help. And what help that was. That stump and that entire bank being back down was a genuine worry for me, because you just didn't want people around that for the party. So that is just, I'm just so happy that's down, you know. And then of course, apart from that, they managed to pull all of this old tree which had come down a very long time ago and was sort of blocking that area. That's out of the hedge. This one that came down the other day and was blocking the whole thing, that's been pulled out the hedge after Chris and I cut it up. They've moved some stumps here, pulled this all back, which means I can get in and clear this. And of course it also means, because this is full of stumps here, I should be able to get into this, get the last wood out of there, and then open this section back up. So now we have this huge section to be able to get in. And of course I will grade this out a little bit and whacker it down in the meantime, but I genuinely couldn't have done that without them. So of course next we're in here, apart from like it is all over the garden at the moment, cutting and logging up wood. In here I need to cut right back, let dry out, cut again, and of course this will be the little camping area for the party. Believe it or not, I'm sure many of you at the moment are not believing that, but this will be an easy enough task now that that major part is done. Well, now for the rest of it, I suppose. So genuinely a huge heartfelt thanks to obviously Chris, Colin and Val. So that's diggerman.fr. So if anyone is locally looking for somebody to hire diggers, come out and do groundworks, do fosses, all the rest of it. It's not a sponsored video. They came and helped me because they wanted to help get the place ready and they had some free time. But people should always be a little shout out for people that do good work. And so if anyone is locally, I will put a link to their their website in the description below, because they are fantastic and they have just saved me, well, not being able to get that stuff done before the event, basically, because I couldn't do it by hand. Right, I've got lots more to do, so I'm going to get on with it, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now.